PartSupply Enterprise enables any company to define a catalog of sourceable components in just a few clicks. First, select your preferred service providers from hundreds of providers qualified by Dassault Systèmes. Use semantic text to navigate into the catalog to select all available components or just a selection to be used by your team. Then, import your own enterprise in-house components using PartSupply Edge Agent. PartSupply automatically extracts all the necessary information to efficiently organize this content, including dimensions and descriptions. We are now ready to enforce the usage of the right sourceable content at the level of the engineering department. From the platform, users can collaborate with the catalog manager and suggest additional content from the PartSupply community to be added to your standard part catalog. The catalog manager then receives a notification and can decide whether to approve the new suggested supplier.
PartSupply allows businesses to intelligently source 3D content. Take, for example, this jigsaw model in SOLIDWORKS, which requires an electric motor. Through PartSupply accessible directly from SOLIDWORKS, users can easily narrow down the parts they are looking for through supplier catalogs and component categories. The power of semantic and 3D similarity search allows them to quickly find corresponding parts. Users can also compare components and analyze their detailed information to decide which parts best fit their needs. Once the right parts are identified and properly configured, they are inserted within the SOLIDWORKS design environment in one click.